Ready to unleash your inner artist and paint stunning landscapes with the power of AI. Alright, let's jump right into how to get started with Nvidia Canvas. First, you'll need to make sure you've installed the software. If you haven't already, head to the Nvidia website and download Nvidia Canvas. Once downloaded, locate the Nvidia Canvas installation file. This is usually in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installation file and follow the on-screen instructions. This will guide you through the process, which is generally straightforward and takes only a few minutes. Soon, it will be set up on your computer perfectly. After the program has installed, you should see the Nvidia Canvas icon now on your desktop. This icon looks a little like an artist's paint palette and is easily recognizable. Double-click the icon to launch Nvidia Canvas. The program interface will open, ready for you to create your masterpiece. Now that the software is open, let's quickly explore the interface. On the left side, you'll find your tools. These are your building blocks, the materials that make your creations possible. There are things like grass, sky, mountain, and more. Select your desired material by clicking on it. In the center, this is your canvas. This is where your magic will begin to materialize. You can adjust your brush size and style using options on the toolbar at the top. Simply drag and drop your selected material onto the canvas. Experiment with different materials and brush strokes to create a landscape. On the right side, you'll see that you can change the look and feel through its style options. When you are finished, you can output the image and use your created picture. Congratulations, you've now opened up your world of artistic freedom with Nvidia Canvas. Explore, experiment, and have fun creating your own stunning artworks. Don't forget to share your creations with #NvidiaCanvas.